Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.74 trillion. We're down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.9%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing mild red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. And I have been saying this for the last few days. I am not convinced Bitcoin bottom is in unless we hit specific price levels, which we will get into detail later in this video. So all eyes are still on XRP, on Bitcoin, and we will see what it does in the next 48 hours to see if the bottom is officially in. But today I want to talk about none other than XRP. Alright, XRP community. If we're looking at XRP's price right now, XRP is currently trading at 97.7 cents. It's down 6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 2% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 6th spot. Market cap right now is $45.1 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $6.6 billion. Now, if we're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for XRP, guys, in just the last year alone, XRP is still up 403%. Obviously, in the last 30 days, we are down 28.1%, but this should not come as a surprise to anyone. You guys know what happened last week in the cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin went down towards $30,000, which took the entire markets down with it. So it's not only XRP, guys, it's the entire market that's down substantially. But now before I begin into the charts, I want to share news with you guys, and then we will deep dive into the charts and see where XRP will be going in the immediate short term. All right, so CoinDesk posted this. Speaking at CoinDesk's Consensus 2021 event Wednesday, Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse said plans first teased in early 2020 will have to wait until an enforcement action from the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) is resolved. So this is what he had to say. The likelihood that Ripple is a public company is very high at some point. Garlinghouse told CoinDesk, in the middle of a SEC lawsuit, we need to get that closed out. So this, he has basically come and put all the rumors to an end and basically has confirmed that SEC will be, I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm saying, my bad, my apologies. He basically has come out and said that, Ripple will be a public company, once this lawsuit really does, come to an end and gets resolved. And, guys, when that really does happen, that is going to be very, very revolutionary for the crypto space. We will be seeing a crypto project going public, and that will create a lot of hype and a lot of excitement indeed, not only from the institutional side but inside crypto as well. And this is why I've always been saying in my previous videos that, guys, do not underestimate that there's a lot of people, it's a lot of money on the sidelines waiting for XRP, this lawsuit to get dropped out or some sort of official announcement to come out, and people will jump in then. Because why I believe that is, if we go on CoinGecko, for instance, you guys can see XRP is up in the last year, despite the fact that we're seeing this major price correction in the cryptocurrency markets. XRP is still up in the last year 403.5%. Now, you may be asking yourself, what does this have to do with anything? What I'm trying to tell you guys is that now if we go on CoinGecko and look at majority of the top 100 cryptocurrencies and we compare them to XRP in the last year, they are up 1,000, 2,000%. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that if this SEC lawsuit did not exist or it did not happen, I believe XRP would been sitting at different price levels right now and way above its all-time high, in my personal opinion. If we're looking at Ethereum and we're looking at Cardano, we're looking at Bitcoin, all of them are seeing all-time highs, and I'm very, very optimistic that if once this case gets dropped out, or we were to hear some sort of official announcement come out, we will see XRP go through the roof. And on top of that, we will see the excitement building up around XRP going live, Ripple as a company going public. That would create even more hype across the board. So very exciting times ahead indeed for this XRP. But right now, all eyes are on the SEC lawsuit, and we need to pay close attention to that. This next coming week is very, very important for SEC, the lawsuit, and Ripple as a company. So I will keep you guys posted whenever there is some sort of update that comes out of that lawsuit going on. So if we're looking at XRP's price right now, we are holding quite well. We are seeing us retrace a bit from the price rally that we have been seeing. We went to $106, almost 107, and since then we are down 9.6%. And this is due to the fact that Bitcoin is on the shaky end of the spectrum still. And you guys know, I always say Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. We have to be keeping an eye on Bitcoin right now, especially when it's not at the levels I personally would feel comfortable that we are headed towards the upside for the entire market. Right now, that's not the case. So we should not be surprised if XRP goes towards the downside, because you guys know markets are very, very correlated with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the king at the end of the day. But right now we're hovering around that 97.19 cents, holding quite well. I do not want us to go below this level of support at that 89 cents. I do not like to see that happen. But right now, if you ask me, is that a possibility, Crypto ZX? It's definitely a possibility that we could go below that, because we need Bitcoin to hit certain price levels, as I have mentioned. You guys know me, I keep it 100% realistic with you guys. I'm not going to come here and make unrealistic statements saying, yes, guys, this is nothing to worry about. We're headed towards all-time highs tomorrow. No, guys, we're going to look at all the scenarios and, come out with an outcome that is most likely to play out. And right now, that is not the case. We could head towards the downside because Bitcoin is on the shaky end right now. So let's look at Bitcoin charts quickly and see what's going on. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is let me bring out the measuring tool so we can get a better understanding. So Bitcoin went back up to $41,000 just yesterday, as you guys can see. But since then, guys, we have come down 7.28%. That's quite a bit of a retracement for Bitcoin in just a day. And you guys know me, like I have been saying this in my previous videos, how crucial this level of support is, and this one. This is a very, very important level of support at that, $46,557 level. Very, very crucial for us to stay above it and close above it and actually trade, sideways for at least 24 hours. If that were to happen, guys, you guys know me, I have mentioned that I would not be surprised if XRP gets back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement. And also, I would not be surprised if we get above to that 38.2, because markets do recover very, very fast when Bitcoin is on the upwards trend. But you guys know, when Bitcoin's on the downwards trend, things do not look pretty, and things can get ugly. And that could be a possibility that could play out in the next day or so if Bitcoin does not head towards the upside. Right now, we are hovering at the $38,000 level. What I would personally like for Bitcoin to do is get back to this zone, guys, at least this level, and hold above it, and trade sideways for at least 24 hours. And then I would be, very confident that the bottom is in and we are headed towards the upside. Because right now, this could be a clear fake out once again. As you guys can see, we saw the initial, a dip, flash crash to that $30,000 level. We saw Bitcoin have a fast recovery to $42,000, clear fake out. And, let me zoom. Yeah, so clear fake out. We're seeing, we saw markets recover once again. I'm sorry. So this was the initial dip, massive recovery, fake out, recovery, and now let's hope we head towards the upside. But we do not want us to have a triple bottom, guys. We do not want to see a triple bottom, because if that happened, guys, markets will tank very hard. I hate saying it, guys. I do not like saying bearish scenarios, but you guys know me on my channel. I keep things very, very realistic with you guys. I'm not going to come out and make, overhyped predictions saying, no guys, bottom is definitely in, we are headed towards the upside, we will be at all-time high tomorrow. No guys, that's not the case. We have to look at all scenarios, and right now this scenario could play out as the one that I am saying. If we go break below this level of support at that $36,182 level, guys, there is definitely a possibility of us to have a triple bottom. And if that happened, guys, be prepared for XRP to go back down to these levels. I know XRP community does not like to see it, but guys, we don't have much control over this, because at the end of the day, these markets do run off Bitcoin, and we have to keep a close eye on Bitcoin and see what it's doing before we could come up with a conclusion as to what is going to happen with the XRP's price. But if you guys manage to pick some XRP up around this level of support at the 65 cents level, you guys would be sitting at right now at the 45% profit. Not bad, guys. And also, if you guys bought XRP back early on, when it was at 18 cents, and the money that you have, you cannot afford to lose it, you're sitting at too much profit, you guys know what I say, take some off the table and either buy back the dips when they do occur, because this market will always have dips, guys. It's never going to go up straight in one line. I'm sorry to say that to you guys. There will always be dips, and you could either purchase the dips, or you could use that money for your personal use. So that's what's looking for XRP. Right now, I am hoping that Bitcoin can get back to this level, at least at $43,400 level. If that happens, everything will be looking good. But if we are unable to do that and close below $46,100 level, guys, I'm sorry, $36,100 level, then there's a possibility for us to have a triple bottom, and I do not want to see that. But we have to be prepared for such outcomes to play out. But that's it for XRP's update. I will keep you guys updated for anything that comes out of that SEC lawsuit. But you guys know my stance for XRP long term. If we were to get that parabolic bull run that we did see back in 2017, I really do believe if SEC lawsuit gets dropped, XRP is going through the roof, guys. We're going to smash past its all-time high. And if XRP on top of that gets goes public, sky's the limit for XRP, and all the holders that have been holding XRP since the absolute bottom will be rewarded, especially the ones that were scooping up XRP when there was major fear across the board. When the SEC lawsuit initially came out, everyone was dumping their XRP, but the people that were scooping it up while there was mad fear across the board, they will be rewarded heavily, which they all already are starting to be rewarded, and they will be rewarded even further if these outcomes were to play out. But that is it for today's update, guys. But before I end this video, to all my viewers, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group, guys, what are you waiting for? It's a free group chat to join. We talk about cryptocurrency, the latest news, trends revolving around the crypto space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group. Let's build this community together, and come say hello. But with that being said, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.